Now, in a bid to bolster national security preparedness, the central government will conduct a series of civil defence mock drills under Operation Shield across several border states and union territories. In fact, they're already happening from Srinagar to other parts of the country, especially the states that share the border, of course. The drills are being conducted, and many places they have started because they were slated to begin from 5 p.m. Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Chandigarh, all of the states sharing borders with Pakistan. The focus will be, of course, on the vulnerable regions close to the LOC and the international border, considered most susceptible to cross-border threats. Now, there are mock drills that have happened in certain areas of Jammu and Kashmir as well. Viewers, take a look at the visuals.
Drill that you are seeing here in the Bara.
घायलों को ले जाया जाए और अगर ये घायल जो हैं इन्हें जल्द से जल्द वहां पर पहुंचाया जाए, क्योंकि ये तस्वीरें जो हैं आप लगातार यहां पर देख रहे हैं, ये मॉक ड्रिल की तस्वीरें हैं। लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल से सटा इलाका अखनूर का इलाका है जहां पर इस वक्त मॉक ड्रिल हो रहा है। लगातार तस्वीरें गौरव आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि किस तरह से पुलिस प्रशासन की तरफ से जो है ये मॉक ड्रिल किया जा रहा है। वहाँ पर आप देखेंगे तो एम्बुलेंसेज जो हैं वो यहाँ पर पहुँच गई हैं। इंजर्ड्स को एक तरफ जहाँ ले जाया जा रहा है, दूसरी तरफ एम्बुलेंस है। फायर एंड इमरजेंसी सर्विस की टीम्स जो हैं वो यहाँ पर पहुंच गई। गौरव से कहूँगा आपको दिखाएं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है आग यहाँ पर लगी है, तो आग को बुझाना जो है वो भी उतना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। तो फायर इमरजेंसी सर्विस की जो टीम्स हैं वो किस तरह से ऑपरेट कर रही हैं आप देखिए कि समय रहते तकरीबन 300 सेकंड के समय में इस सिचुएशन को कैसे टैकल करना है वो जो है लगातार आपको तस्वीरें दिखा रही हैं। पानी जो है वो डालकर इस आग को जो है वो बुझाया जा रहा है। हर एक जो एजेंसी है वो मिलकर काम कर रही है। और इस तरफ अगर आप आएंगे तो देखिए आप अतिरिक्त एम्बुलेंस जो है वो यहाँ पर पहुँच चुकी हैं। तस्वीरें आपको लगातार जो हैं गौरव यहाँ पर दिखा रहे हैं। एम्बुलेंस के लगातार आप देखेंगे कि एम्बुलेंस में जो इंजर्ड्स हैं उन्हें यहाँ से ले जाया जा रहा है। जो बाकी इंजर्ड हैं उन्हें यहाँ पर एम्बुलेंस में डाला जा रहा है। तो कोशिश ये है कि जल्द से जल्द जो जिंदगियाँ हैं वो बचाई जा सकें। इस तरह से मॉक ड्रिल जो है यहाँ पर की जा रही है, जिसकी तस्वीरें लगातार गौरव आपको रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क पर लगातार दिखा रहे हैं कि कैसे इस पूरे जो प्रोसेस है उसे किया जा रहा है। ये मॉक ड्रिल इसलिए भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जम्मू कश्मीर एक सरहदी इलाका होने की वजह से यहाँ पर चुनौतियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। इन सभी चुनौतियों से निपटने के लिए किस तरह से स्थानीय प्रशासन जो है वो काम कर रहा है, लगातार तस्वीरें आपको यहाँ पर दिखा रहे हैं। आप देखिए यहाँ पर पुलिस प्रशासन है, जो सिविल डिफेंस है वो यहाँ पर मौजूद है। हर एक एजेंसी जो है यहाँ पर मिलकर काम कर रही है। गौरव से कहूँगा मैं इस तरफ गौरव आएँ सर, इसे जो है स्ट्रीमलाइन किस तरह से किया गया है इस पूरे प्रोसेस को?
इस प्रोसेस को हमने देखा कि यहाँ पे एक जो ब्लास्ट क्रिएट किया गया, उस ब्लास्ट को देखते हुए पूरी जो टीम्स हैं उनको मंगाया गया है और उसी तरीके से सारे लोगों को बुला के इनको हॉस्पिटल तक पहुँचाया जा रहा है।
सर, कितने मिनट में ये कोशिश थी कि जल्दी पूरा प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करें?
हमारी जो कोशिश थी कि हम इस प्रोसेस को कोई 15-20 मिनट के अंदर अंदर ही पूरा करें। हमने पूरा वो कर भी दिया है।
हमने देखा जितने भी आपकी कोऑर्डिनेशन कितनी रहती है, चाहे वो सिविल डिफेंस हो, पुलिस हो या फिर स्वास्थ्य विभाग।
कोऑर्डिनेशन का जो हमने रखा है, हमने जैसे कंट्रोल रूम को इस्टेब्लिश किया हुआ। कंट्रोल रूम इस्टेब्लिश करने के बाद जहाँ पे इवेंट क्रिएट हुआ है उस जगह से हमें इमीडिएटली हमारे कंट्रोल रूम्स जो हैं वो बने हुए हैं, उन्होंने हमें कॉल की। हमने इमीडिएटली जो है जो सिविल डिस्टर्बेंस था, SDRF था, पुलिस थी, एम्बुलेंस थी, सब लोगों को पहुंचाया और अपने स्पॉट पर।
So you can see that how this whole area has now been secured by the firefighters as well as has been encircled by the Jammu and Kashmir police. So situation was created that there has been a mortar shell that has landed to this area, after which we saw that this was the impacted area where there was a heavy flame of fire that came after this explosion that took place, and now the firefighters have doused the fire. On the other hand, I'll request Gaurav to come this way to show you that there is a visible police presence that is also here, along with the revenue official, the district administration. This is to ensure that the timely actions are taken, because it has hardly taken a 5 minutes time for the police and the civil administration to reach there and to respond to the situation, and then the injured have been taken to the hospital. So this is the proactiveness of the agencies, the better coordination for which the Operation Shield has been planned, and now it has been executed on ground in the Jammu's Aknoor, where this mock drill has been carried out.
Yes, Gosimran, in fact, these are the live show that you were getting to us. And tell us more about these mock drills, the significance of it, because we do see that at the same time the military is also in full swing preparing. and keeping themselves on high alert. We see the drills happening in several firing ranges as well, in Pokhran also, and now the civil defense. So, India is sending out a big message that India is fully prepared and that operation is only paused, it's not over.
Yes, it's a tactical pause that we have seen in Operation Sindoor, and yes, India is preparing itself for any contingency because see, be it the top military commanders or any from the border security force, they have maintained one thing that is very clear, that a neighbor is Pakistan and they cannot be trusted. Since Pakistan cannot be trusted, our preparedness needs to be at the all-time high, and that is what is being done as part of the Operation Shield. Because what we saw earlier, that when the first these mock drills were called, it was Operation Sindoor that was launched, and in the border areas it could not go through. But now what has been done, that the mock drill is being conducted since Akhnur is one of the strategically important areas. Here we have seen that how this has been one of the focal points of the Operation Sindoor, where the operations were launched, the strikes were launched on the Pakistani launch pads as well as the Pakistani army bases from the Indian army side. So this area is very crucial, and that's why what we are witnessing, that here these drills are being conducted by the civil defense along with the Jammu and Kashmir police and the civil administration.
Right. Thanks so much for joining us with those live inputs from Jammu right now. We shift our focus to what's happening in Kashmir. My colleague Arawat has filed this report from Ground Zero.
All kind of mock drill has been started in the district in the Baramulla, and you can see Firdaus can pan camera to this side, and you can see that the mock drill has been started in the border district of Baramulla. This is a precautionary major mock drill that you are seeing here in the Baramulla district, and we have seen recently during the Operation Sindoor that these kind of mock drills helps the local community. Also, you can see that the small kind of demo blasts are being done by the civil defense here. Also, you can see that the joint mock drill is conducted here in the North Kashmir's Baramulla. This is the sensitive district of the Baramulla, which is the nearby district of the line of control area. It indicates the alertness of the troopers here. Also, we have seen that the civil defense is conducting these kind of mock drills here. Also, there are the multiple activities which will take place here in a while now, and you can see that the drone surveillance is also going here. Also, we have already seen that the siren is going on, and all the precautions are being followed here. At the times of the war, what actually happens, these demonstrations are being conducted here in the North Kashmir district. We have recently seen in the Uri sector where we have seen the ceasefire. Also, we have seen that the numbers of the activities are taking place at the various, if Firdaus can pan camera to this side, you can see that the joint drills are being taking place in the various parts across the border districts of the Kashmir Valley particularly. And you can see from this very side, this is the live demonstration that the Firdaus is showing you, that the fire and emergency vehicle is coming to dose these flames. We can say also this is the actual happening, what happens when we have seen recently at the times in the Kashmir Valley when these kind of incidents happen. This is a live demonstration that Firdaus is showing you visuals that the bodies of the injured peoples are being taken for the first aid, and you can see that the SDRF and the civil defense persons are doing the mock drill in the border district of Baramulla, and you can see that the injured person are being taken toward this side. This is the second body. We have seen that the small kind of blast is also taken place. Then after we have seen in the mock drill, you can see that the SDR persons are coming back towards the location where the incident happened. And again, you can see here that the two bodies have been brought to this hall, and you can see that the NCC gadgets are also here, and they are taking them towards the other locations. We are being told that the more bodies are coming to this hall, and Firdaus is showing you the visuals that in this mock drill that the injured persons are being brought to a place where the first aid and other activities are being done. We have recently seen in the Operation Sindoor, this kind of operation helps the administration and other stuff. Also, we have seen that the joint mock drill is taking place at the various locations across the border district of the Kashmir, particularly from the Baramulla, Bandipora and the Kupwara. And you can see that these kind of rescue operations are taking place at the times of the war that we have seen. This is the mock drill 2 that we have been told. Also, the night blackout is also scheduled tonight from 8 p.m. to 8:15 for the 15 minutes that we are being told. And the SDRF Jawans are going again to the location. And you can see from that very place, if Firdaus can pan camera to this very side, that the CPR and the first aid is being given to the injured persons. If Firdaus can show you from the very close range that the first aid is being given to the persons at the times of the war that we have seen recently in the Operation Sindoor. Also, the area is being monitored through the drone surveillance continuously, how the enemies are moving toward the locations. आज आपने यहाँ पे मॉक ड्रिल सेकंड जो है वो परफॉर्म किया.
सबसे पहले आपका शुक्रिया और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. किस तरीके से इन्होंने मॉक ड्रिल को लाइव सेशन यहाँ दिखाया, किस तरीके से कैजुअलिटीज़ को रेस्क्यू करते हैं, किस तरीके से कीमती जान बचाते हैं. आप देखिए, जो दो ममालिक के बीच एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी पिछले 1 महीने से, तो यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट ने पूरी तरीके से एक डेमो दिखाया कि हमारे पास किन किन इक्विपमेंट्स का सपोर्ट है, किन किन चीज़ों का सपोर्ट है, कैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक चेन वर्क करेगी. और उस चेन वर्क के तहत इन्होंने एक लाइव डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दिखाया. इसमें वॉलंटियर्स, SDRF, सिविल डिफेंस और हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट और NCC वॉलंटियर्स सबों ने शिरकत की. हम चाहते हैं कि ये प्रोग्राम हमें हर महीना नहीं, हर साल, हर महीना, हर साल होना चाहिए, ताकि इससे वॉलंटियरिज्म ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए और लोगों में एक अच्छी चाहत आ जाए किस तरीके से एक सोशल काम में हम हिस्सा ले सकते हैं और किस तरीके से हम अपनी कीमती जान दूसरी की बचा सकते हैं.
Right now, the Balochistan Liberation Army is reportedly taking control of the strategic city of Surab in Pakistan's Balochistan.